Hi, I'm making carrot dogs tomorrow for lunch, and I just wanted to show you my process for making them. I've already steamed some carrots. I cooked them over boiling water in a steaming basket for between 12 to 15 minutes until they were just barely cooked through. Now, when these cool down, I've just taken them off of the stove. When these cool down, I'm going to put them in this marinade. In my marinade, I've got a cup of vegetable broth. I've got 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of tamari, or you could use soy sauce or Bragg's. I've got a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, some garlic powder, and some smoked paprika. I'll leave the recipe below. Now, after my carrots cool down, I'm going to put them in a plastic zip bag. I'm going to put my marinade in the zip bag with the carrots. And these have to marinate for a minimum of 3 hours or 1 day. And after they've marinated, they had the most amazing flavor. I know that there's a lot of converts for carrot dogs already on Connect. I think that they're fantastic. And you know what the government says? They say that hot dogs cause cancer, and I don't think carrot dogs do. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.